Expectations for the fourth generation iPhone SE were high, as the previous release took place in 2022 and was not much different from the 2020 iPhone SE. In 2025, the iPhone SE3 looks outdated, but it still has its advantages. The iPhone SE 2022 has a glass case and supports wireless charging. The phone has a home button and a small 4.7-inch screen. The iPhone SE4 is the iPhone 13, but with some exceptions. The iPhone SE4 will have not two cameras, but one with a resolution of 48 megapixels. The new iPhone SE4 is likely to have a minimum storage capacity of 128 gigabytes. Instead of the Lightning connector, there will be a USB Type-C. An action button will appear. There will be no camera control button. The diagonal of the screen will be 6.1 inches. There will be no dynamic island, but there will be a regular upper frame. The processor in the iPhone SE will be Apple A18, which means it will support the Apple Intelligence feature. The new iPhone SE will be released next week. Its price is likely to be $499.